good, everybody? It's Ben. Today we're back with another fly fishing video. We're at this beautiful lake. It's a beautiful view. The lake's super low, but it's loaded with brook trout. So we're hoping they're hungry. We're gonna stay here for the night, camp. Probably gonna cook some up, make some trout tacos again. We got the creek right here. Beautiful creek, guys. And the lake. Got my buddy Kale and my buddy Ethan down there. Yeah, guys, we're just camping, having a good time. Gonna catch some trout. And yeah, cook them up. Stay tuned.
I'm gonna get it right in between again, remember? Hog. Bro, that's a big brookie.
No, he's stuck in the oh, he got off.
No, he's not. He's right there.
Oh,
I got him on still.
that was another big one. Net him. Good job.
Big brookie, guys. Let's go. Made a perfect cast. He came up and grabbed it.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, let me restart it. Just don't restart it.
All right, guys. First fish of the trip. Made a perfect cast. He came up and ate it. Beautiful brook trout. He's a good eating size. They don't get much bigger than this in the creek. He's a good eating size. So we're gonna go ahead and keep this one for later. For the beautiful brook trout. We're gonna keep him too for grub later. We tried the lakes, they weren't the best, but now we're just cranking the river or the creek, because that's where we caught the most. Trying to catch some more for grub. Hog.
That's a dub, bro. Good shit.
Yes, sir. I saw him eat. Yes. He's beautiful. I saw him eat, tossed it right next to him, and he came up and grubbed. Check out this beautiful brook trout, guys, out of this small creek.
Just hooked up to this beautiful little cutthroat. I didn't even know they were in this stream, but oh, later. He's just a little guy, so we're gonna throw him back.
Nice. No! I had one too, just barely.
I got two.
You have two? Did you actually catch two?
I had two on my both dry flies, but one came off.
No way.
One's right there.
I just, no. Hog. Good brookie. I thought I spooked him, but dude, it's a good one. Good brook trout, guys. Came up and crushed my dry right next to the grass. Let's get him in the net.
Oh, bro. That's a beautiful fish. Alright guys, just caught another beautiful brook trout. Came up and crushed my stimulator. I saw him right next to the grass, casted right to him. He came up and crushed it. That's gonna grub good. We got about, how much did we get?
8 or 9.
8 or 9 fish. We're gonna cook them up, throw them in the tacos, and we're eating good, baby. Let's go. My stimulator, I saw him right next to it. Oh, I just cut myself. I did, I just cut myself. Alright y'all, as you saw, we seasoned up all the trout, threw them in the tin foil, buttered them up. We also made the pico. Now we're just waiting for the trout to cook. We're gonna throw it on the tortilla with some pico and grab up the tacos, baby. Let's go. Yes sir. How are those hitting, baby?
They're gas.
Yes sir.
They're gas.
Yes sir. This dude.
Alright, I'm about to try out the fish tacos right now. They're all done. Right there. Ooh. See the trout, the pico. That's good.
That's pretty fire.
That boy grubbing chili.
Dirty ass shit. Sorry. Forgot about it.
What's going on with you? We got some cheesy easies cooking up. Cheesy quesadillas with some chili. Already dusted the tacos. Alright guys, we're just cleaning everything up, getting ready for bed. We're about to go hop in the tent. Tomorrow we're about to get up, fish around here again, just like we did today. Then head to another small creek with a bunch of small brookies. So yeah guys, we're gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. How's that hitting? Alright, we just got to the new creek, guys. We're gonna go fishing. This is the last spot for the trip.
It's gonna be terrible.
Fish on, rainbow.
Nice rainbow, guys. Still small, but he's beautiful. Yeah. He's still small though. Popped him right off. Beautiful rainbow, guys. Nice. On the caddis nymph. He's out of here. Nice.
First little brookie of the day. Just a little guy.
He's beautiful. Nice.
They're really
yeah.
healthy in here.
Nice. It's a hog. Yep. Got him. Rainbow. Got him. Nice. Oh. I missed him. He came right back and grubbed. Guys, me and Kel just doubled up. Right as I netted this fish, he got the brookie and I netted it too. Nice. Nice.
They're all fun.
Yeah. All right, guys. Beautiful little rainbow came up and ate the purple haze. It's right here. Nice rainbow, guys. Heck yeah, we're having a great day. Let's go ahead and release him. He's out of here. What a fish. All right, everybody, it's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a great trip, grubbed up the fish tacos, caught a bunch of nice fish. Yeah, it was just a good time.
Stay tuned for the next.